Hey guys! Wait.
Yay.
Hey guys, my name's Dave and welcome back to to Gaming with Friends. And this is Ollie, or the Spark 05. We're about to go on a flight.
I didn't mess up this time.
We're about to go on a flight, however, we need to change all the thrusters to maximum. Go to each thruster, Ollie.
Yeah.
Go to each thruster and turn it to maximum. Because we're heading to the sky, Ollie.
I'm dead.
You're not dead! There's no way to die in the game yet!
Already?
Yeah, they're adding a survival mode in soon. Hopefully.
When?
I have no idea, but that's really cool, isn't it? Scarp mechanic survival. But you're gonna have to craft everything.
It's basically Minecraft then.
No, it's not, because Minecraft doesn't have thrusters and wheels and cars.
True, but similar.
Yeah, I suppose the crafting aspect will be the same, and there'll be monsters and stuff. Hopefully. Dude, have you gone to all the thrusters? Okay, wait. Check. Okay, they're all done.
You hear that, Dad? It just went
Yeah.
bong.
I know, it's cool, isn't it?
Okay, how we gonna get in?
Like this. Let's just set up the
Then you open the door from the back.
No, you're gonna get in the main way.
Oh, what? Dad, you see nothing.
Ollie, what did you do?
I didn't mean to do it.
Okay, Ollie, get ready. Ollie, you getting in the back? Ollie, get in the back. Just get in the back. Forget about that.
I'm running from wood.
Get in. Okay.
Look, wait. Dad, shut the door.
Okay, shut the door. Ollie, you can get in your seat. I'll do the button, and we're gonna head off. Okay, ready?
Wait, Dad.
What?
Dad, is this off the lift?
Yeah, it's off the lift. Otherwise, the doors wouldn't open. Okay, 3, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
One.
Blast off! Oh, Ollie! Ah! Oh no! Where are you, Ollie? Ollie, where are you? I feel left out now. Ollie,
Dad,
where are you?
I don't know.
Okay, Ollie, you're gonna have to email me this, and so I can edit your footage into it now. Because otherwise, my viewers aren't seeing anything right now. Or, dude, seriously, you have an email, right? Like a Gmail or something, right?
Yes.
That's what I'm asking you at the time when you're flying a spaceship. Do you have a Gmail? So, okay, so if you're watching my channel right now, on your screen should be appearing, you still have me in the little top corner, but you should also, you have Ollie's video showing you what's happening inside the spaceship, or outside the spaceship, depending how his view is. What's happening up there?
I'm peeing.
Ollie, I don't know what's happening in there, I'm feeling like I'm missing out. I did.
Dad, I don't want to jump out and hit the roof because I think I'm going to fly out.
Can you try it?
Winging it.
There you are, I see you. Oh, I see you, wait. Stay in there. Stay in there. Did you turn it off? Stay there, Ollie. Where's the rescue car? Hey, Ollie, where's our car? Did you get rid of it? No, there it is. No idea. Stay there. Let's come rescue mission.
I'm getting the rocket. Collecting it.
Put it on a stand.
I've got it. Dad, I've got it. No, I dropped it down.
Olly, Olly, I'm coming to get you. Give me a second.
I'm running. Luckily, I remember where it is. Fine.
No, Olly, stay by the ship. I'm gonna come find you.
I know roughly where to go. Then how did you get out?
I didn't. I wasn't sitting down when the. Give me a second. I've got to get rid of these thrusters. I wasn't sitting down when the ship started flying, so I fell out.
Yeah. That's not the first time that's happened.
Wait, what? That's never happened to me before.
Remember that?
On the party bus server. Okay,
No.
none of the.
Yes. Yes. Yeah, we got lost in the fight bus.
Okay,
We lost in the fight bus.
let me tell you. Okay, so the viewers don't know what the party bus is. Basically,
No, you're not.
before we made this server, what happened is
We
we got
got really bored.
very bored and we were on a flatland server. We were with our friend Wandering Ronin or Oscar. Fucking hell, I can't. It's a freaking machine.
Or as it's called now, Lenny Face's assistant.
Oh, Dr. Lenny Face's. Yeah, I forgot to say that. He's called Dr. Lenny Face's assistant, or Wandering Ronin as he's known on the channel. Basically, I'm going so slow, but it's the only way I'm not going to stop falling over. Basically, what happened is. I'm talking to the viewers, not you. So basically, what happened is we were busy. Playing around, and then what happened is Oscar decided to make a rocket ship. But it's very crude. Wasn't as good as one we made. And he flew it, and then he got lost. Now we said we'll come rescue Oscar, and being lazy, we decided to build a car. First off, it was just like a really had no walls. It only had a front window thing. It was a very crap looking monster truck sort of car. And then later that night when Oscar and Olly had left, I said, well, I wanted to make this into an RV, so I made it into an RV. And then I did, and Olly came back on the next day, and I said, let's look at the party bus, as I like to call it. And we had a really fun time running around with the party bus and stuff. And we made Site B and Site C, and then Oscar came back on. And then what happened with Oscar is that he was like, stop it, get the party bus far away from me, it's causing me loads of lag. Because he has a shitty computer. No offense, Oscar, but it was a very bad computer. It's a bad laptop, and I can't blame him for that. I can't blame him. And so he said you have to get rid of the party bus, and so he created a new server. Says he called it No Party Buses, which was annoying. But now, party bus is life, honestly.
I don't care.
No, don't fall!
Now you wonder where I am?
Yes, but I'm also trying to not make anything not fall.
Dad?
What?
I
Oh wait, are you on top of the mountain? Where are you? Are you on top of the mountain?
back.
You walked back.
Yes.
Where are you now?
Yes.
Well, where are you now? Where are you? Where we launched it. Oh, I came to rescue in the rescue car. You know what, screw this. Yeah, I know that. I'm running back now. No, he wasn't, and it's just annoying me a bit because if you tell it seriously that I made the server, I was like, hey, do you want to come play with me? Because like at first it was just me and Oscar, and then it was time for you, and then we decided to invite Olly along. It was the middle of the night. It was 9 o'clock, Olly. Come on. I'm by the path. I'm fine.
When you come back, that.
When we come back, I'm gonna sit in the seat and you're gonna drive the thing.
No.
Yeah, you're just gonna click the button for me. And then you're gonna fall out and I'm gonna have to walk my way back. No, I'm not. Okay, there's the cornfield, that's a good sign. No, don't fall! Ugh! Screw it. Screw the thing, I'm running back. Forget it. Ollie, I can't. I see the platform, I think. I was looking at myself jumping now. I look at it. Why is the cord so fucking big? Oh, my lap was really hot, man. After I get it. Ollie, can you see me?
Yeah.
Can you?
What? No.
Can you see me? Right. So after I get in the party shit, the party rocket. There you are. Soundwave, the party rocket. That's his full name. He'll become Soundwave for sure. Hey, 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 hey. Look behind you! The other way! Nice, okay.
See, I made it back. We made it back.
Okay, Ollie. Get inside the ship. Oh wait, I'll open up the back door. Yeah, I am really slide. Get inside. Get inside and get inside and close the door. Get inside and close the door. Close the door. Okay. Now, Ollie, you have the challenge of pressing that switch on the floor and trying to get back in your seat. Shut up and press the button. Shut up and press that button. Oh no, Ollie! Whoa! Oh my god! I can't come down! Uh-oh. I don't know. Whoa! What just happened?
Hi, Dad.
What did you do?
Hi.
What did you do?
Before you came back, I put it back on the list.
You little shut! That's a brilliant idea, Ollie.
I know.
I should have done that from the start. It's so fun though. Oh, wow.
And I got on someone.
It's so fun.
Now let me in.
Okay. Oh, take me off the lift. I can't open the door when you're on the lift.
Dad, no, quick.
Okay. Ollie. Get inside. No, I've got an idea. If I put my chair closer to the ground, that way I have a better chance of getting into the chair. Make sense?
How confused were we when you just ended up back here?
Very confused. Now, Ollie. Okay, to see us out. I'm in! I'm in! Ah! Oh my god! Don't get out! Uh-oh! Ollie! Ollie! Splat! Thank you guys for watching. My name's Olly. Ollie, say goodbye. Or scream. I'm Dame Olly. Thank you for watching. Goodbye. See you next time. Scarp Mechanic. Hey Ollie, stop your recording. Hey guys, I'm back just to see that we found Ollie. Remember how just a little. I maybe said goodbye, but we managed to find Ollie.
Hi.
Are you still?
I'm rich now.
Your fridge.
Hi, Dad. Hi. What are you doing?
Trying to get into this bloody thing. How was the ride?
Hi.
I'm sorry, Ollie.
Sickening. No! You're not leaving me! No!
I'd like to say goodbye. Wait, did you turn off? No, get out of my car!
Ah, escape me! I can't drive!
Goodbye, rockship. Oh no, I don't want to get out of here. Oh, Ollie, help me!
Dad? Dad? Dad?
Ollie, where are you?
Dad?
Help!
I see you!
Where's the ship gone?
But
That's all from us for now. See you guys later. Bye.